SharePoint is used by many organizations to store and share documents. This tutorial will demonstrate how a Tactic workflow can manage, share, and maintain any kind of document within your company's SharePoint repository. Tactic has the ability to handle everything from highly complex multi-stream workflows to simple linear workflows. In this tutorial, we are using a simple workflow that a banking institution might use to onboard new customers. In this example, I am the customer service representative tasked with managing an onboarding process for a new customer. The processes include document intake, creating a customer information file, also known as a CIF, ATM debit card approval, and creating a checking account. The bank has a policy to store all important documents in a single centralized SharePoint repository. As the onboarding process moves forward, documents will be retrieved, edited, and updated in SharePoint. To complete this onboarding task, steps will require approval from collaborators and managers. When the onboarding process is complete, a document set will be available in the company's SharePoint repository for reference. Before we begin, gather a few files to act as onboarding documents. These can include any document type, like Word, PDF, and JPEG image files, for example. Now return to the Tactic dashboard, then click the Create Job button. A Create New Job window will appear. Select Customer Onboarding from the list of job types. Add a title to the job. In this example, I'm using Customer Onboarding for J. Smith. Choose some due dates if you'd like, but it's not necessary. You may also want to add a description about the job as well. Then press the Create New Customer Onboarding button. A new view will appear that contains information about the job you have just created, such as timelines, users, and task statuses. This view is used by the customer service representative to manage schedules, deadlines, and communicate with their team. In the list view, set the first task, which is customer document intake, to pending using the drop-down. Then assign this task to yourself, which will be your Tactic username. Then save this change by pressing the Save icon on the middle right of the screen. To see your pending task, navigate to the grid icon on the upper left and select My Tasks from the drop-down. The pending customer intake task will be located in the panel on the left. Ensure that the task is selected, then go to the SharePoint tab and select the Upload button. Upload the assets you gathered earlier by using the Add Files button. When finished, press Upload Files. Once the task of uploading the documents is complete, press the Complete Task button on the upper right. Now return back to the job and notice that the first task is complete and the second one is now in pending. The team member assigned to this task can access files using the Task Detail view, which is the paper pen icon on the far left of the list view. From here, the assigned user can access SharePoint or upload and download files related to this task. For example, the user with the next task in the workflow, Create CIF Record, would like to pull files from SharePoint to work on them. To do this, go to the Task Detail view, then click the SharePoint tab. Select the files to be worked on, then click the Pull button. Now these assets are stored and available within the Tactic Job Assets library. Finalized assets can be pushed to the main Tactic asset library if desired and/or uploaded to SharePoint. Your SharePoint assets can seamlessly integrate with Tactic's workflow engine and project management tools. Tactic's integration with SharePoint ensures all digital assets, regardless of their repository location, are easily searched and trackable. If you would like to try our Tactic SharePoint integration or any features you've seen in this video, please contact us through our website for your free trial.